This video deals the poem Life, written by Henry Van Dyke, presented by Vanitha Radhakrishnan. What is life? The actual meaning of life is to fulfill each and everyone's purpose and accomplish one's goals. Everyone has a purpose of why they are living. None of us will be here if we all didn't have a purpose. Life is an opportunity, benefit from it. Introduction about the poet. This poem was written by Henry Van Dyke. He was born in year 1852. He was an American author, poet, educator and clergyman. Clergyman means preacher. He was considered one of the best preachers in New York and served as a Presbyterian minister for more than 20 years. His most popular poems are A Legend of Service, A Home Song, Mother Earth, America and Life. He worked as a professor of English at Princeton more than 20 years with bit of service as the US ambassador to Luxembourg and the Netherlands. Most of his themes related to nature, love of the outdoors, Christianity and God. Introduction to the poem. Life. This poem Life is actually a sonnet and poet describe how a person enjoy the life with courage and dedication. He says whatever the situation comes into our life, one should enjoy the life like this man and overcome all the obstacles in it. There are many forms of poetry, namely blank verse, epic, haiku, ballad, free verse, etc. And sonnet is one among them. Sonnet is a word derived from Italian word sonato, which means little song or small lyric. Sonnet has 14 lines and is written in iambic pentameter. The first 8 lines are known as octave and last 6 lines are known as sestet. For iambic pentameter, an example is given in this poem. The first line of the poem is given. Let me but live my life from year to year. This line possesses 10 syllables accented on every second beat. Let us read and enjoy the poem. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goals, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, not holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul means the poet gives advice to the readers from his own personal experiences. The poet wants to live his life happily as it comes with forward momentum and optimism. Forward momentum means a purposeful movement towards a goal, and optimism means a person with hopeful and confident. He wants to live his life every year with happy heart and cheerful mind, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear, which means the poet does not like to hurry in any matters or situations. He does not want to turn away from his aims. What he wanted to achieve, he will do it with confidence and hope. In the dim past, not hold back in fear from what the future waits. He does not want to feel sad and keep on worrying about the things that have passed away. He does not want to think about his dull past. And he does not hold back in fear about the uncertainty of his future. He never think of future. It comes soon enough. He wanted to look forward with a happy and cheerful mind. He does not want to worry too much about his future. And happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on cheer. He thinks that he should live life to the fullest by retaining the childlike innocence and pleasures of life. He likes to travel his journey of life cheerfully and always keep his mind with the wholehearted happy. Second stanza of the poem. So let the way wind up, the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Here, though his way goes up in the path of a mountain or down the valley, he would enjoy his journey. No matter whatever happens, if his path is difficult or easy, he will make it a joyful journey, always keeping happy mind to lead a happy life. Still seeking what is sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. He is searching to find what he was searching for when he was a boy. His new adventure, his hopes, and his new friendship, and his new experiences which enrich him. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Finally, the poet concludes, life is described not as an entirety but as an experience. One should live with courage, dedication, and a clear sense of purpose that drives the mind and soul. Hard work, dreams, dedication, success leads a happy life and a peaceful mind. Finally, the poet encourages us to have faith and determination in our hearts as we take on this beautiful journey. So each and every person should keep these three qualities to lead a peaceful life and successful one: persistence, determination, and hard work. Let me conclude this poem by saying this quotation: life is a game, play it. Life is a challenge, face it. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, share, subscribe, like, and comment.